I figured I'll do one last video for tonight. I'm probably not going to upload much tomorrow just because I have a really long day at work. It's a 12-hour shift, so I mean it might be a little bit hard for me to upload, but I don't think I'm forgetting about the situation. But I figured I'll post this. I haven't really seen much of this, but I figured as another Australian YouTuber, I might check it out, and I've found the piece in the video. So,
Raiders, we were talking about the Friendly Jordies thing recently. It's like that thing with his producer getting arrested was a really fucking disgusting abuse of police power and political power. And what I have seen online is even people like notably leftists who don't like Friendly Jordies, because of his sexism and racism,
I wouldn't
they've
say...
said, like, yeah, he might be a fucking piece of shit, but this is a horrible abuse of police power. So, yeah. And again, the lad may have made some less than well-advised choices in his behaviour over the last 6-12 months, but this whole thing of charging his producer with stalking, a law that's meant to actually stop dangerous people, is
exactly.
a really gross and disgusting abuse of police power. And as a bunch of other people from marginalised groups who maybe have been treated badly by Friendly Jordies in videos over the last couple of years, and said, like, yeah, welcome to our world, buddy, where the cops fuck you up just because they want to.
Even a lot of people who disagree with Jordies are finding a problem with this because of what it is. And so I think the most important message out of this is the fact that, personally, I think that the government is doing an abuse of power. They seem to be doing this because they can and not because they should. These laws are supposed to be for people who are being actually stalked, actually harassed, actually abused, These laws are for dangerous people because these laws are to prevent people from being put at risk. We all know that Friendly Jordies and Christo, they're reporting as journalists. Even with a comedic value, they are reporting as journalists. So what is the difference between what they do and what Peter Credlin does, or what any other person in the media does? There is no difference. Realistically, they are doing the same thing, and this is an abuse of power because the people on the receiving end don't like what they have to say.